you, no one got hurt.
Oh, isn't that the truth?
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
And the
You
kids
guys were
still-
that dangerous.
Oh, I
And
did.
all our kids are still alive.
Yeah. And the dances we went to and made it home.
At the front house.
Well, in the Marine Corps dance when John was driving 5 miles an hour.
Oh, I remember that.
Oh my gosh.
We almost made it past it.
We're not setting a good example for children.
Well, she's old enough, she wouldn't.
Yeah, well, I tell you what, we wouldn't have done
I don't know,
that.
the one thing that I remember the most about the Frog Hop is I was riding with you. Lou and Dick were laying in the back of the station wagon,
There's our big old white station wagon there.
and you were driving. And you were going really fast. And I remember you saying, oh shit, there was a highway patrolman. And you just kept right on going. And he didn't stop us. Why he didn't,
I don't know, because one time I looked down and I was going close to 90.
Yeah, that's the time I remember.
Stupid.
Stupid.
Yeah, but the limits back then were 80
Yeah,
on
they
the
did.
highway.
They
Yeah.
did have one.
I didn't remember them
I
ever
don't
being
Yeah,
80.
they did.
Well, I remember
They
we
kept
drove
coming
up to that old restaurant there on Vivian. It's still there. It's called Marcy's. You and I, we were going to meet there for breakfast. Remember we went there a couple times for breakfast?
Marcy's?
It wasn't called Marcy's then. They're in front of
Wade's?
Kmart.
Wade's?
Wade's or
Oh,
something.
Wade's, oh
Wade's.
yes,
And it
yes.
may have been the same night.
It may have been.
Dick and Lou were in the back, asleep. Under
Remember-
a piece of carpet.
Dick-
And Liz and I are sitting there in this station wagon.
Just
and a couple of guys-
tootling along.
No, we pulled into the parking lot and two guys next to us said, "Hey, babes," or something like that. And here, Lou and Dick raised up their heads and stood up and they went, "Oops."
Well, who did we ride up there with?
I don't
Maybe
remember.
her, maybe
Different.
John.
Different people. We
Maybe
drove.
John.
Oh, yeah, we,
Well, Bill and
Virginia. I bet you went with Bill in Virginia.
Or you may have gone by yourself and took your kids to Darlene's.
That could have been.
Yeah, could have.
That's where I remember your kids going.
Was Bill Allgaier dancing with?
With the drink on his head.
With the still in, the liquids in it, and he's dancing in it, then it's Bill. I wish I'd have had a video camera of that.
I can
that
just
was-
remember, Joe, you want to see where the horse bit me?
What?
Joe Gilpin.
John Gilbert?
Huh? Or Joe?
Oh, Joe.
Was it Joe?
No, John.
Was it John?
John
Gilpin?
Yeah, he was the one that was
It's kinda
always there.
odd.
John and Mary.
John Mary.
John, okay. He'd come up
Well,
to
Joe and
the
Jackie were
He
there
said,
sometimes.
"You want to see where the horse bit me?" And I said, "Where?" And he reached down here, and